In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search channels in Slack. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find conversations and files inside a specific channel using Slack's built-in tools without wading through your entire workspace. Start on the Home tab in Slack. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Directory. This takes you to a central place where you can explore people, apps, and most importantly for this walkthrough, channels. If your sidebar is condensed, you may see it under a More or Browse option. Just open that and choose Directory. This is helpful when you're not sure where a conversation lives or you want to confirm the exact channel name before you search. Once you're in the directory, switch to the Channels tab. Here, you'll see a list of channels available in your workspace. You can scroll through to get familiar with what exists, check descriptions to make sure you've got the right place, and note the exact channel name. This matters because the search we're about to do works best when you know the precise channel you want to search in. Now, let's search within a channel using Slack's global search bar at the top. Click into the search field. Begin by typing in, followed immediately by the channel name. For example, you could type in /marketing or in marketing depending on how your workspace lists channels. The key is the word in, then a colon, then the channel name without any spaces. After that, press the spacebar and type the text you want to find. So it might look like this: in/marketing campaign metrics. When you run the search, Slack will return results only from that selected channel, making it much faster to pinpoint the message or file you need. If your first try brings back too much, add another keyword to narrow it down, or use a more specific phrase. You can also try different variations of your terms to match how teammates might have phrased things. If you realize you picked the wrong channel, simply change the channel name after in and search again. The idea is to keep the scope tight so you're not scanning results from across the entire workspace. And there you go. By browsing the channels directory to confirm the exact channel, and then using in, followed by the channel name plus your keywords in the global search bar, you can zero in on the conversation you need in seconds. That's all.